This animal quiz is for the real green flags. Let's see if you pass. First one. Which is the largest land animal? African elephant. What is the only mammal that can fly? Bat. Which animal has the longest pregnancy of any mammal? Elephant. How many legs does a spider typically have? 8. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle. What is the specific term used to describe a group of crows? Murder. Which term used to call a baby kangaroo? Joey. Who can see more colors, humans or birds? Comment answer.